Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to your vocabulary review, part 1 for our knowledge domain 4, early world civilizations. Let's get started reviewing our vocabulary words. Do you remember learning about the word canals? Canals were ditches that were dug into the land to move water from one place to another. We learned that canals were used in Mesopotamia for farming. How about the word trade? In Mesopotamia and ancient Egypt, they would trade something they had for something they needed. Remember, we talked about how we could trade things in class, like I could trade my chips for your sandwich. We can even still trade today. Scribes. In both Mesopotamia and ancient Egypt, scribes are the people who were taught to write. In Mesopotamia, boys and girls, they used the system of writing called cuneiform. Cuneiform was wedge-shaped symbols. In Mesopotamia and ancient Egypt, the people believed in many gods and goddesses. This was their religion. Remember, we talked about how religion is a set of beliefs about how the world started, why things happen in it, and how people should live in it. In our stories about Mesopotamia, we learned a caravan was a large group traveling together. This group can be people, animals, or vehicles for a long journey. Oh, do you remember when we learned about the word flooding? Flooding is a large amount of water covering an area that is usually dry. Heavy rains can cause flooding, and that is what caused the Nile River to flood. In ancient Egypt, the form of writing they use is hieroglyphs. That's pictures that represent sounds, letters, or words. I hope you enjoyed part 1 of our vocabulary review.